Hello and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name's Amber Knaby. And today I'm just doing like an everyday makeup routine, how I do my makeup. Pretty simple, straight to the point. So I'm gonna just do a voiceover because it just seemed way easier, and I like to listen to music, and I would get a lot of copyright strikes and be blocked from like all the countries, so didn't want that to happen. So anyways, let's just jump into it. Here I am putting on priming spray before I put the actual physical primer on my face. It's just nice, it feels refreshing, and it's just a good way to start putting on your makeup. But it's not necessary, either is primer. Primer pretty much just goes on your face, it makes your face just a little bit stickier so it accepts the makeup better and takes it better. And sometimes it kind of makes it look a little bit smoother. But it really just depends on the person's, I guess, face and their skin texture. Now we go on to color correcting. I don't know that I'm really even doing this right, but I was inspired. I saw Nikita Dragon did this and I was like, ooh, I gotta do it too, because I have acne really bad. So I bought the NYX color correcting palette. Here I am just putting green over the red, then I put purple to neutralize the color, and then I kind of blend it in. Next, we are on to the Anastasia brow pomade. Funny thing is, it's in the color taupe, and I swear this stuff says it only lasts 6 months. I've definitely had it over 6 months. Probably like, we're going on probably about 2 years now. And that explains why the pomade is like so dried out and hard to work with. But you know what? I'm still gonna use it because I like to save my money. And you know, I can always add some kind of makeup liquid to it and probably make it spread easier. But anyways, yeah, it only lasts 6 months. I don't know who the fuck is using their Anastasia brow pomade every single day, maybe even multiple times a day, that they're gonna use it so much that they need to refill it before 6 months. I just don't see it happening, but whatever. So, you know, I honestly botched this eyebrow. I hate the way it looks. Like, I pluck my own eyebrows. I've never went to a professional person for it, so. And I feel like you can really tell on this eyebrow because it looks like crap. I'm not gonna sugarcoat it. It is what it is. I know it does. Hey, can you do me a favor? If you're literally still watching the video, please go ahead and like the video, subscribe, and leave me a comment on what you think or what kind of content you want me to make for you. So, yeah. Alright, so now I'm going in with my NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop foundation. This stuff is a really great formula. I really like it. It's pretty full coverage. It is a little bit oily, I will say though, but very good formula. And I go in with this foundation. It's meant for wet foundation, and it's by EcoTools, blah. I got it at Target for, I think, under $10. I'm not even really honestly sure how much I paid for it. I think it came in a pack, but highly, highly recommend a brush over a beauty blender, just because the beauty blenders end up deteriorating, and it's not good. Now I'm contouring. I have the NYX contour palette. I really like powder contouring just because it seems like it's way easier to work with powder than liquid. You're more than likely to mess up something with, I don't know, with liquid than with powder. At least with powder you can kind of blend, and yeah, you can work a lot of stuff in. So, yeah, you see me just going in everywhere, doing a little happy dance. I'm getting it done. Now I'm putting setting spray on my foundation just to kind of set the foundation. Now I go in with my hefty little fan that I got from Batty Beat Lashes. I got it for $14. Super handy. I would use my blow dryer before. Annoying. Now I'm putting mascara on because whenever I put on my false eyelashes, I really do not like to just put my false lashes on top of my regular lashes, because then I feel like whenever I pull them off at the end of the day, I'm pulling off all my regular lashes. I may be tripping, but I hate that. So, yeah. Now we go on to false lashes. This is what really completes my look, honestly. If I didn't do the false lashes, it wouldn't be that cute. So I have these have these handy little tweezers that I really recommend. After you let the glue dry, you will need to kind of set the lash on your lash line and kind of put it as close as you can, and then you need to go in with the tweezers and put it and kind of pull it closer to your lashes. So, but be very, very careful doing this. You can stab yourself. It does happen sometimes. Be careful. And then, of course, make sure you wait for your lashes to dry before you do a bunch of movement and stuff, because you don't want the lash glue to get in your eye and start to irritate it. That can happen also. Who is she, Miss Attitude? Look at me. Oh my god. That's how lashes make you feel, though. Not gonna lie. You be like, wow. Everybody says that has lashes because they mean it. So now I'm just going in with some blush that I just have laying around on the counter. I got it from a BoxyCharm like a long time ago. And yeah, I don't really think it's anything special, but I just got a little blush stick from Milk Cosmetics, so I'm trying to use that, trying to get more into blush because I think it's cute. But honestly, one reason why I never really liked blush, I've always had acne super bad, and I feel like you can just, I don't know, I just don't want my skin looking red. My skin always looks red. I'm over it. Alright, now I'm going in with this highlighter that I dropped the palette, and the highlighter is the only thing that fell out and broke. Or it broke inside, it broke the freaking... I don't know. It just broke and shattered into pieces like the makeup stuff did, so yeah. Wasn't cool. So I'm just going in with the highlighter around my cheekbones. I think I put a little bit on my nose and my like Cupid's bow. I honestly don't really do this that often because I feel like my skin is really shiny and oily and greasy enough. So I don't really feel like I don't need it to look really shiny, any more shiny than it already is, you know? Now I'm just going in with one of the shades on the contour palette as my eyeshadow. Just because I like the more natural looks. I don't really like to do a bunch of glittery eyeshadows. I used to, but now I'm just simple. Now just throw the hair back, and that just really completes the look, and yeah. Now I'm just doing a little happy dance because I look good. I'm happy, and wow, did y'all see that little jump? I'm so cute. Well, yeah. So I hope y'all enjoyed this. I don't know that anybody's even gonna watch this, but please let me know what y'all thought. Leave your feedback down below, and yeah. Let me know what kind of videos y'all want to see from me, and I will take it into consideration and make some. Okay, yeah. And hopefully my voiceover skills will get better because I'm not really good at talking too fast on the spot, and that's pretty much what you have to do. So thank you for watching, and like, subscribe, and peace. Bye, everybody.